My name is Brandon Lunnin. I'm in Local 264. I work here in Everett shops as a machinist for the MBTA. We fabricate parts and repair parts for the entire system. We have about 9 different unions just in this building alone. We all do vastly different work. They all need different kinds of parts, either machined, repaired, broken, screws. We do a lot of different work here. The machinists at Everett shops work for the entire system. It's not just rail, it's bus. We work for the power department. We've done Keolis over at the commuter rail. Our role at the MBTA is vast. Typical day at the MBTA for a machinist, it really depends on if we're starting out with a new part that day or if we're carrying over from the next day. We have jobs from as little as like 10 pieces that have to be done specifically, or a couple of one-off parts, or you might have something that you have to make 1,000 of. That's going to last you a while. If we're getting a new part and we have a print, we'll take the time, study the print, go through our setup, we'll make our programs. If we're using a CAD system, we'll draw it up in CAD, transfer the tool paths over, set up the machine. You have to set up your tooling. Tooling is very specific depending upon what we're doing. So the rest of the day after you set up the machine is obviously making sure that the parts are coming out good. You are your quality control guy. All of our machine tools here are calibrated. We have very fine tools and equipment to measure what we're actually making, just so we know that we're within tolerance of either the print or whatever part that we're trying to make. Everything we have has tolerancing, and we have to make sure that the machine is hitting tolerance. That way we're making good parts. The rest of the day is working, making parts. There's a lot of thinking that goes into making a part. So we can't just jump right into anything. You have to get all your stuff squared away first. Your tooling, your program, everything has to be perfect or you're not making precision parts. The hardest part of this job is just making sure everything you're doing is correct leading up to making that part. Our actions every day keep trains and buses moving, whether that be safety parts that we're making or very integral parts that need to go into the trains, or I think maybe we just don't think about that every day, but I guess our work here is very invaluable to the riders